was asking the question. Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Am I, hello? Hello?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. I'm Amit and I'm in which team?
Amit, are you guest?
Yes, I'm guest.
Okay.
Guest Amit, you will also get a chance. Like right now,
Okay.
we are having a championship, but don't worry. I have around 35 topics, so you can just enjoy the championship. And once it's end, you will also get a clear idea like what the table topics is, and you can also participate in that. Not to worry. Just stay
Yes.
down, relax, chill, and enjoy the contest as of
Right.
now.
Thank
Okay,
you.
cool.
Thank
Most welcome. And do we have Team J? Everybody are ready? Jay, can you please do a quick check if all your members are there?
Table topic master Toastmaster Swati. Everyone is here and we are ready to participate and win the contest. Thank you. Pawan, Abhishek, Venkatesh. We all are here. Thank you.
Perfect. So I think everybody are there. And for the guest who has joined us just now, after the contest, I have some interesting topics for you guys too. So as of now, you can enjoy the you can enjoy the championship, and later I'll get back to guests, and I'll even get back to the role players who haven't participated in table topics, and I'll give them some good interesting topics to participate. So overall, nobody would leave the meeting without participating in table topics today. That is the major motive of this meeting. Done? Can I have everybody
I
turn
just
on the video?
I
Because this is
I
a
I
contest.
just have one question, Swati. Can you hear me?
Sure, sure, sure. Yes, Vinod, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Just we are starting now. And I have a hard stop at 1 p.m. Do you think we'll be able to finish with 1 p.m. with this format,
Yes,
or will it be late?
definitely.
Okay, cool.
Definitely we'll be able to finish it up. No worries, no worries. We'll be able to finish it up. And hopefully we will even have sufficient time for the others also, for the guests also, so that I can give them table topics. So not to worry at all. Okay. So can we start now? Timer, is everything perfect? I mean, are you ready with your timer cards? Just doing the quick check before we start.
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
Done, sir. And so I would like to call first whom to check. Okay, I'll give some random colors. Just let me know which team lead chooses which color. So it is red, blue, green, and yellow. So Vinod sir, what's your favorite color among this?
So rules,
Red.
I said, can we know the rules first for every, because there will be three topics or four topics or three rounds or four rounds.
Sure, sure, sure. Definitely. I would clear the rules round upon round. So the table topics, even for the timer reference, the time limit would be the same. It is one green, 1 minute 30 seconds, it's yellow, and at 2 minutes, it's red. And the buzzer will start after the 30 seconds cross time. But there is one thing which I would like all teams to concentrate, that is, even if you're participating in the championship or even if you're participating in the rounds, you get a 5 points that will add on to your team. But if you're getting disqualified, it turns out to zero. So try to end the table topics or try to be very quick with the pace of the time. Okay? Can I have a thumbs up from everyone? So all you need to do is check up with the time and not to exceed the time, because if you exceed the time, the total will not count up to your team. Okay? Vinod sir, I'll give a heads up on all the rounds. Round one, round two, round upon the round, so that each and every round is a bit different. So I'll get back to you after each and every round. Okay?
Okay, done.
Sure. So I think we'll have Team Vinod first. So Team Vinod, uh, Vinod, whom would you like to nominate first from your team? So
Ritija.
let me just Ritija. Great. So Ritija and everybody who are going to perform in the round one. Round one is all about tall tale. That is killing it by making your own stories. I think in our childhood, each and every one of us have made different stories. So right now, it is the time to utilize all our childhood skills and to build up a really nice story within a minute, 30 seconds. Okay. So, Ritija, are you ready? Toastmaster Ritija. So, are you ready?
You can hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can we have focus on Toastmaster Ritija so that everybody can see her? I think. Yes, we can see you. And Ritija, are you able to see the timer cards? Just clarifying before we go ahead.
No, I can't see it yet.
You can't see it yet. Timer, DTM Vijay, can you please check if the timer cards are available? Or you can ping the timer and check if you are able to, you can pin the timer and check if the timer cards are available. Yes, I think now the timer cards are visible, Ritija.
Yeah, I can see the
Okay. So Ritija, here is a tall tale situation for you. Okay. So it is, you had taken a sick leave and you are in a movie theater and your supervisor is also in the same place.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
You can have 30 seconds to think and then
Just
you can
1
start.
minute, I
your
can't
turn.
see the screen again for the cards.
You can't see the screen again. I hope, can you see the cards now? I think it's visible. Yeah. Yeah. So your time starts now. Please go ahead. Yeah.
A very good morning to everyone present here. So today I'm going to be telling you a story. This is a story that took place almost 2 years back. It was the 26th of April. I remember very well because it was the day Avengers Endgame released. And I was really looking forward to this. But on the other hand, what happened was that we had a very important meeting on the same day at my office. And I am a big time Avengers fan, like a Marvel fan. So I've never missed any of the movies. And the main thing about Marvel is that you need to watch it on the first day, or you will be filled, your stories, your friends, everyone will be talking about the spoilers, and you don't want to ruin that, right? So I had the best reason available with me. So I'm really not feeling well, and it's the most obvious one, of course. But I decided that instead of going with the going to the meeting and having the spoilers later, I decided I'll just go on, watch the movie, and deal with everything else later. And with a sad puppy dog eyes, I went to my manager, my supervisor, and I told him, "Sir, I really don't think I can make it today." So he said, "All right, that's not an issue. We'll have someone cover it up for you. Don't worry. Go home and relax." And then I go to the theater with my friends, and we get the tickets for the best screen available. We go and sit there and watch. It's while we're watching the movie. The movie is going great, by the way. There's no there's nothing to worry about there. But on the other hand, what happened was that during the interval, I saw my supervisor out there as well, and it was a very awkward moment for the both of us, because he was supposed to be in the meeting and I was supposed to be sick, obviously. And instead of that, we didn't even talk. We just looked at each other, and we had a very mutual reaction that let's just keep it to ourselves and never speak of it again. And that was one of the best movies, as it turned out to be, and one of the best moments I've had with my manager, because after that, since we both have a secret, we have a really good bonding. And that's all from my side. Over to you, table topics.
That's a good one, Toastmaster Ritija. So I'll give a minute time for the judges to mark their ballot. So we'll just have a 1 minute silence so that the judges can mark the ballot. In the meantime, the next team is Team Heyman, so they can discuss who would be going for the next round until we get back to our next speaker. So until then, timer can please let me know in case if it is a minute's time.
We'll just pick somebody alphabetically, Fatih. So you can pick who, alphabetically.
Okay. Timer, please do let me know once it's a minute so that we can go ahead with the next team.
Sure, sure. Yes, 1 minute is over.
Thank you so much. So, Team Hemant, whom would you like to pick up for this round? Who is the warrior you are sending from your team for this round?
Swati, alphabetically it's Abhinav. So Abhinav will go first.
Okay.
Thank-
So, Toastmaster Abhinav would be from Team Hemant. A big round of applause to Toastmaster Abhinav. And this is for judges also to make a note of the contestant's name. So, Toastmaster Abhinav, are you ready?
Yes, Toastmaster Swati.
Okay. Your situation is something which I do face most often. That is, you promised your mom to have dinner at home and you go out with your friends for a restaurant. You promise your mom for having dinner at home and you're going out for the restaurant with a friend. So over to you, Toastmaster Abhinav.
Mr. President, Toastmaster of the Day, fellow Toastmasters and dear guests. Good afternoon. I think this is happens at every home at different frequency. In my case, it happens monthly once at least. My mother cooks food, and in the office sometimes they plan for the evening dinner. And that time I called to my mother, Mom, see, meeting was late. There was a customer meeting, and after that, dinner is planned. So I cannot come to home to have dinner. And my mother starts giving lecture on that. Food is God. You are wasting food. Means you are insulting God. This is, you should treat food in a nice manner. You should have informed me before. In a world, many people are sleeping without food. You are privileged and you are getting food and you are insulting food. That is not good. So, and same lecture I get every month. But you know, like in office, you are there, office, your team member have planned for the dinner, so you have to go. So I think you all can relate with this topic. Your mother lecture, then team compulsion, and then you do trade-off. And it depends. Most of the time I go for the team dinner and I spend quality of time with my team members. It helps me to have good bonding because see, we spend 9 to 10 hours with our team members. And with family, we spend 4 to 5 hours. So our office members are also our second family. And usually we all should go for team dinner because it will increase your bonding and then productivity will increase. Team environment will improve and overall team efficiency is increased. So I would suggest you, of course, your mother will give lecture, but we all should go for team dinner. And I do, I think you all do. But if you don't do, please go for team dinner. Listen 1 to 2 times from your mother, that is fine. Mother is there to give lecture. So that's all from my side. Over to you, table topic master.
That's a nice saying, Toastmaster Abhinav, and very well said. I think we all should follow your practice. But sometimes even I'm scared of my mom, and we do that. So that's a great thing. So next, whom should we have? Yeah, we would have it from Team Meenal. And in the meantime, Team Meenal can discuss who would be going first. And in the meantime, I would give a minute time for the judges to mark their ballot or to mark their scoring, and we'll have a minute silence so that judges could mark their ballot. Timer, please do let me know once it's a minute.
Yes, time up. 1 minute is over. Hello, Swati. 1 minute is over.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Vijay. So from Team Meenal, who would be the champion or the warrior who would be coming from your team to face the challenge?
Hi Swati, I nominate Dinesh from my
Dinesh.
team.
Great. So Toastmaster Dinesh, so can you see the timer cards?
I can see the timer card, Toastmaster Swati.
Okay, great. So Dinesh, I would give you a random, I hope you had gone through the briefing. So it is tall tale. So I'll give you an imaginary situation right now, which is there in my mind too. You're sitting in negotiation with the Chinese president to negotiate on the corona cases. You're sitting in the negotiation with the Chinese president and negotiating on the corona cases. Over to you, Toastmaster Dinesh.
तुला उरलेली इडली होती खाता नव्हती हे नंतर पण खाता येतं ना इडली खराब होते ना
I hope Toastmaster Meenal or someone, can everybody go on mute? Okay, I think Toastmaster Dinesh, can you see the timer card? If you can see the timer card, please do let us know. We can start it.
I can see it. Give me a few seconds, please.
Sure.
Okay, I can start now. Hello, Mr. President. How do you do? Chow, 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 chow. Chow, 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 chow. President, you very nice greeting from you. Glad to meet you. I think we can use the translator. I'll talk to your translator. Chow, 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 chow. All right, President. You know the coronavirus? It all they say started in China. But I know that. I know this virus started not in China, and we can talk about it later. But the situation right now is the virus is spreading like anything. India is worse hit. And tell you what, secretly I know, although you are hiding it, there are lots of cases in China also. Yeah, you're right. You seem to know a lot of details about China. Yes, dear President. And tell you what, I have a solution for this situation. What solution do you have? President, it is the best kept secret. Do not tell anyone. I'm going to tell you, you are the only person in the world other than my family who knows this. What is that? Mr. President, I have a vaccine for coronavirus. I have a small duct in my background and I have some coronavirus there and I have made a vaccine out of it. And I have cured 500 people from my village with it. Wow, really? Yes, it is 100%. And just because China is my neighbor, I love Chinese food so much. I love the Chinese Sichuan rice. I love the Chinese Sichuan noodles. And that is why I'm going to give you only $1,000 of vaccine. Wow. Thank you so much, Mr. Dinesh. All right, President. Next consignment would be reaching you. Just transfer money to my bank account. Back to you, Madam Presiding Officer.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Dinesh. And I would give a minute time for the judges to mark the ballot. In the meantime, Team Jay, so you can decide whom from your team. In the meantime, you can decide whom from your team should be nominated for this round. And timer,
Toastmaster
please
Pawan.
do let me know.
Toastmaster Pawan.
Jay is already ready.
Thank you.
So we'll have a minute time for the judges to mark the ballot. And timer, please do let me know once it's a minute.
Yes, 1 minute is over.
Thank you so much. And now we'll have Toastmaster Pawan from JST, who would be representing JST. So, Toastmaster Pawan, can you do a quick audio and video check? And can you even check if the timer cards are visible?
Yeah, I hope you can hear me and you can see
Yes,
me,
I can hear you.
and I can see the
Yes,
timer
right.
card as well.
And you can see the timer card as well. That's great. So, Toastmaster Pawan, here is your topic: negotiation of your visa extension with President Biden. Negotiation of your visa extension with President Biden. Over to you, Toastmaster Pawan.
Ting, 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 ting. Hello, Mr. President. Good morning. Was this on the line? Hey, I'm Mr. Pawan. What's going on? You know, Mr. President, many of the Indian co-workers are facing a lot of problem. But at the same time, US is also having a bad hit because of lack of technical resources. So it's a good time to revamp your visa situations, to revamp your rules around visa. But Mr. Deshpande, you know it will impact the workload in US. You know, you Indians can eat our jobs. Like you can also be a superpower in technical areas. No, Mr. President, don't worry about it. We believe it in Sarve Bhantu Sukhinas Santu, which means that all world is equal space for equality. So don't worry. We will help you to grow your economy. We will help you to build your country with your own infrastructure. Treat us as a simple human being with a, with proper guidance. We need something that help us to bring our talent on the ground and make this world a better place along with US. I hope you understand, Mr. President. Yes, Mr. Deshpande, your point is well noted. I'll personally look into the matter and I'll see its resolve. Thank you, Mr. President. I hope you have a great week ahead. Thank you, and over to you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Pawan. And I think here we end the round one with the fabulous participation of all the four participants. So great job done by all of them. And we would give a 2 minutes time for the judges to quickly tell me the results or WhatsApp me the results over the WhatsApp. And in the meantime, I would even give the next round briefing. The next round is either or, and they have to support why they prefer something than the other thing. Like for example, coffee or tea. So if somebody says tea, they would have to speak in the table topic, or they would have to speak supporting like why they prefer tea over the coffee. So it is as simple as it is. Okay. Timer, please do let me know once it is 2 minutes.
Sure, ma'am. 1 minute, 2 minutes is over. Hello, Swati ma'am. 2 minutes are over. Hello.
Yes, yes. Can you hear me now? Sorry for the interruption.
Yes,
There
yes.
was some technical. Okay, can you hear me now? Okay. So let's proceed. I have got the results for round one. So let's proceed with the round two and let's see who would be coming first. So the next round consists of either or. So can we have someone from Team Vinod to participate first?
Yeah, Anupam will participate.
Anupam. Okay. Anupam, can we quickly do a check of audio and video check, and can you quickly check if you're able to see the timer cards?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. So Anupam, here is your topic. What would you prefer? Football or cricket, and why? What would you prefer? Football or cricket, or and why?
Good morning, dear Toastmasters. Football or cricket? Let me first brief you about both the games and in how many countries both the games are played. Nearly 3/4 of the world is mad about football, and cricket is played between few countries where the British ruled. And now let me tell you why I like the game football. There are three reasons why I like the game football. First is that you're always on the toes. You are always running behind the ball. You're always busy planning. And for all the 90 minutes, you're never thinking like what we have. You don't have time. All the 90 minutes, you have to be on your toes. And second reason why I like football is the team players, the team bonding between the players, how they plan and get the ball till the goal. And third reason why I like the football game is the way the players are playing is they're always busy in the way they are planning to get the ball towards the goal. And this is the magic of the football. And that's why you have the very famous players like Messi, who beautifully get the ball to the goal. And other players are just looking at the ball. How did they reach there? So this is the beauty of the football and its game, and why I like this game. Over to you, table topic master.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Anupam, for that wonderful thing. Okay, let's give a 1 minute time for the judges to mark the ballot. And we'll have a pin drop silence until then. And timer, please do let me know once it's a minute.
One minute is over, Swati ma'am.
Thank you so much. Now let us go to Team Hemant. So from Team Hemant, who would be the participant from your team, or who is the warrior who is coming up from your team?
Me, Toastmaster Chandrasekhar.
Toastmaster Chandrasekhar. Okay. Toastmaster Chandrasekhar, can we quickly have an audio and video check? And can you even check if you can see the timer at the same time? If you can see the timer cards at the same time?
Yeah, I can see the timer screen. Am I audible and visible, everyone?
Yes, you're audible as well as you're visible. Okay.
Great.
Chandrasekhar, so I would give you a typical topic. Being diplomatic and being outspoken. What would you prefer? Being diplomatic or being outspoken? What would you prefer? Over to you, Toastmaster Chandrasekhar.
The question is not what is important for me. The question is, why is it important for me? Is it being diplomatic or is it being outspoken? Presiding officer and dear Toastmasters and fellow guests, I'm Chandrasekhar Mankar and I want to tell you a small story from my life. When I was growing up, I was a really introverted person. I used to talk to only one or two people, and in those two people, one was me and the second one were my parents. I found out that it is really important for me to speak to people, and then I tried doing that also. But whenever I tried speaking to someone else, I felt like I am an odd man out person. You know, someone who doesn't belong to the group, someone who is not a part of group. Every time I wish to spend time with the people, they used to keep me away from the group. I'm not sure why, whether they were really ironic people or I was not up to their level. So for me, I believe that they were really diplomatic kind of person. But later, when I met some people in my life, I realized that being diplomatic can work only if you are with the diplomatic people. And I was not one of those people. So in my opinion, in my life, I would be an outspoken person every time. Back to you, table topic master.
Wow, I'm amazed with all the participants today. All are on fire. I mean, literally on fire. I must say this. So, kudos once again before we go ahead for the next participant. Kudos to each and every participant who is giving their 100%. And in the meantime, we'll have a minute time for the judges to mark the ballot. And in the meantime, Toastmaster Meenal can decide with the team like who would be coming up next. Timer, please do let me know once it's a minute.
Toastmaster Swati, I'll be participating next from Team Meenal.
Great. Great, Ishita. Ishita, great. Okay, so timer, please do let me know. I hope it's a minute's time and we can proceed further. Timer, can you please confirm on this?
Sure. 1 minute is over. You may proceed.
Okay, thank you so much. So Toastmaster Ishita, can we quickly do an audio and video check? And can you quickly even check if the timer card is visible?
Yes, the timer cards are visible. And am I audible and visible?
Yes, you're audible. So Toastmaster Ishita, your topic is Chole Bhature or Pani Puri. What would you prefer? Chole Bhature or Pani Puri? What would you prefer? Over to you, Toastmaster Ishita.
Okay. Good morning to everybody present in the meeting, distinguished guests, Toastmasters, and the guests that are coming for the first time. Chole Bhature or Pani Puri. In fact, I would not like to choose since I've been in a lockdown since like a year and I've not stepped out. So for me, getting anything out of both of these would be an amazing treat to offer. And being a Punjabi, if you judge me on that, obviously I'll pick up chole bhature since I'm craving it since so long. But I have been a semi-Maharashtrian by now. I've stayed in Maharashtra for about 10 years, and I'm a die-hard fan of Pani Puri. So it's a hard decision to decide as to what I would go for, chole bhature or Pani Puri. But that at this point or at this particular moment, if you offer any out of the two, I would go for anyone. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Ishita. That was a wonderful say. And next, we would have a minute time for the judges to mark their ballot before we go ahead for the next team. And Team J, in the meantime, you can decide like who would be coming up from your team.
Toastmaster Abhishek. Thank you.
अर्धा तास लेट नव्हतं येत आहे. चार्जिंग पण झालं असतं.
Toastmaster Abhishek. Okay. And timer, please do let me know once it's a minute time.
Sure. So from J team, Abhishek is right.
Yes. So timer, are we done? I hope we are done with the minutes time. If you can just check and if you can just confirm on that. Timer, can you hear me?
He dropped. I think
Okay,
just
I think we can start because he got dropped off, just joined. So probably
Not
we
a
might
problem.
finish the-
Yeah, that's what even I was checking. A minute's time is done, so we can start.
Yes,
Toastmaster Abhishek, so just do a quick audio and video check, and you can even check if the timer card is available.
and see the timer card right now.
Yes.
Okay.
You may go, Abhishek.
Okay. So Toastmaster Abhishek, your topic would be mind game versus video games. Mind game versus video games. Toastmaster Abhishek, please go ahead.
Thank you so much, Table Topic Master, Presiding Officer, Toastmaster D, hello Toastmaster, and guest. Whatever topic the Table Topic Master has given, I think this is my favorite topic because there are two reasons. First of all, I love video games. since my childhood. I'm keep playing video game. I have the console with me. I have my laptop with GPU machine. And second, being an engineer, I love doing coding. I love reading new books. So while even if you are doing coding, that you have to use a lot of your brain power. So I like both of them, but I like the mind game more than video game. I think there are two reasons behind. Let me tell you the reasons. First of all, is that my video game, it can take you to the virtual world. Some programmer or some gamers, some person is, and you are just playing it. But when you are thinking about the mind game, it's a different story. The thing is, when you're talking about the mind game, you can create your own scenario, own situation. Suppose I think about what my future might be, what my future will be like. I can put myself in different condition, different people, places, and I can solve these situations. This is the first thing. Second thing is that playing video game definitely has a lot of benefits. Like your eyesight will improve, your will improve. But at the same time, when you are playing the mind game, you can do anything you want. There is also a concept in which a patient can heal himself or herself by using or her mind. He can think what he wants to walk. Suppose there is a paralysis patient, he can keep on thinking he wants to walk, and after some time he can walk. If I want to go to China right now, I can just close my eyes and go right there. I can train my mind anywhere I want. To the audience, I would say, if you want to live a really amazing life, just train your mind. Mind game is amazing. Thank you. Over to you, Master.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Abhishek. So here, with this, we end our round 2. So in the meantime, I would give a 2 minutes time for the judges to mark the ballot and to send me the result of the rounds. In the meantime, I would like to give a big round of applause to all the round 1 and the round 2 participants for their fabulous performances. And I think judges are also having a really tough time marking the ballot. So let's see. So let's have a 2 minutes of silence and timer. Please do let me know once we are done.
Sure, sure. Yes, time is up. 2 minutes is over.
Thank you so much for that update. So let's have the next round. The next round would be of phrases, wherein it is actually like how it works in the ISC or the International Speech Contest. So I would go ahead with the same order. So Toastmaster Vinod, whom would you like to nominate? Either you can nominate yourself or you can nominate somebody else. You can keep yourself safe for the last round. So it works
What
in
will
that
be the
way.
round now? What will be the round now?
It would be of phrases, just like
No,
how
no,
we
round,
have.
round. Which will not is a round? This.
It's a phrases round.
Phrases. Yeah. Okay. Akriti will go ahead.
Akriti will go ahead. Okay. So Toastmaster Akriti, can you quickly do an audio and video check, and can you even check if the timer cards are available?
Am I audible and visible? But timer card is not visible, right?
Okay, we'll wait for a few seconds. I think the spotlight can be given to Toastmaster Akriti so that she is visible to everyone. Okay, great. So Akriti, I think the timer cards are also available and you are audible and visible, so we can go ahead.
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. So Akriti, your topic would be hard work never fails. Hard work never fails. Toastmaster Akriti. Toastmaster Akriti. Hard work never fails. Over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster, Table Topic Master Swati, for giving me this topic. Hard work never fails. Actually, I personally feel that every time you do the hard work, it doesn't give you the result which you want. But since I'm a chartered accountant, and over the period of 5 years, I had given my hard work to achieve my dreams. So I would say that I used to study for at least 10 to 12 hours in a day, and I had my articleship also going. So with the articleship, with my studies of 10 to 12 hours in a day, and not being socially involved with anyone, I couldn't clear my CA in first attempt. So I would say not only the hard work matters, it also the matters the most is the smart work. If you play smart and not only just do the hard work, you have to apply your brain simultaneously with the hard work, and it would be able to give you the end result. Like in the company, now we like the managers not only see that we have to work for 10 to 12 hours in a day. It doesn't matter. We have to play smart. We have to give them the output in less time and also with the smartness, so that the party in front of us, they get attracted to what we have done. So I would say that smart work as well as the hard work matters the most. That's it. Thank you.
That's nice to hear, Toastmaster Akriti. So we will give a minute time for the judges to mark the ballot and to get back to us. In the meantime, Toastmaster Hemant can decide whether he would be coming for the next round or he would be sending across one of his warrior or the challenger. So we'll have a minute of silence, and timer, please do let me know once.
I'll be coming.
Great. So, distinguished Toastmaster Hemant. So, whom are we having from your team?
I'm there. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can. We can hear you.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay.
So, your voice is a bit breaking, Toastmaster Hemant. If
I
you
am
could
coming.
Okay, good.
Okay, everybody can hear me or not? Just want to confirm because I think there is a lag between
absolutely.
Swati and me.
There is a voice breaking. There is a voice that's been breaking in between. We can hear you still, but there is a breakup. So you can just adjust. I will give you a second.
No, I just want to be clear if everybody can hear me or not.
Voice is not clear, Hemant.
No.
Voice is not clear, Hemant.
Lagging.
Not audible, sir.
1 minute is over. 1 minute is over.
Okay, that's fine. I think we can get started. Okay, give me 1 moment.
Sure, sure,
Give me
definitely.
one moment.
Please go ahead. Yeah.
How is it now? Can you all hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you. We can hear you.
Is it better?
It's better. It's better. It's much better.
Is it any better?
Yeah, it is good, Hemant. I think now we can hear you. And can we have the focus on Toastmaster Hemant so that he is visible?
Okay. Pavel, can you go ahead? I'll try to find a better place.
Sure. Okay. I will
Okay.
just-
Sure. In the meantime, Pavel can go ahead. In the meantime, Hemant can adjust his settings.
Yeah, Pavel.
Pavel, can you hear me?
Yes,
Can we quickly do an audio and video check, and if you are able to see the timer cards?
yes, I can see the timer cards. Just one question, rather two questions. Can you all see me, and is my voice audible?
Yes, we
Okay,
can see
great.
you, and your voice is also audible.
Thank you.
So, Pavel, your phrase would be actions are powerful than words. Actions are powerful than words. Toastmaster Pavel, actions are powerful than words. Over to you.
Okay, I'm going to share a story about love. All right. My name is Pavel. Respected Mr. President, respected judges, all my fellow Toastmasters, and dear guests. So I met a woman back in 2015. We met at a wedding. And in 2016, she got a job in Pune. And so technically, I'm from Calcutta. And she got a job in Pune. So she shifted to Pune. And then we were in a long distance relationship. And it was difficult for both of us in terms of communication, in terms of meeting one another. But we wanted to be together, you know. So we decided every 2 months we will meet one another. So I used to travel from Calcutta to Pune. After 2 months, she used to travel from Pune to Calcutta. And that is how, we kept on going. So that was the action, not the words, right? So back in 2018, we decided let's get married because this is quite hectic for both of us. So back in those days, I was working for one of the Fortune companies in Calcutta. So I decided that I'll leave my job, I'll come to Pune, I'll get married, and I'll find another job. So we got married in 2018, and right now we are settled here in Pune. I'm working in another job. I left my previous job back in Calcutta. I got a very good job. Rather, I changed multiple jobs. So what the conclusion is, your words are important, but your actions matter more because it's what you do, it's not what you say. Over to you, Table Topic Master, respected judges. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Pavel, for sharing your experience. And that was great. Okay, let's have a minute time for the judges to mark their ballot or to do the scoring. In the meantime, I would ask Toastmaster Meenal to choose or to think who would go ahead next. And I would request the timer to let us know once it's a minute.
Hi, Swati. I would like to nominate Amit from my team for the round 3.
Great. Thank you so much. Timer, please do let me know once it's a minute.
Okay. Just now the speaker has spoken. His name is Pawan, right?
Right, Toastmaster Pawan.
His time is over. 1 minute is over.
Okay, so now we'll have Toastmaster Amit from Meenal's team. So Toastmaster Amit, can we quickly do an audio and video check, and can you check if the timer card is visible?
Yes, Swati, can you hear me?
Yes.
Am I visible?
Yes, you're visible. You're audible as well. Okay.
Okay.
So Toastmaster Amit, your topic is early bird gets its prey. Early bird gets its prey. Toastmaster Amit. Toastmaster Amit, early bird gets its prey. Over to you, Toastmaster Amit.
Respected President, Toastmaster of the Day, fellow Toastmaster, and dear guest. Good afternoon. Early bird gets its prey. That means whoever gets early will get maximum benefit. I will take the small example of Toastmaster as well. The membership is going on, and whoever comes early will get, I think, 100 rupee discount. So if anyone wants that membership, you can do it now. Now early birds get the discount. I'm a computer engineer, and I can tell you that there is something like FIFO, in which first in, first out. There is a sequence like that. And in our real life also, if we do this thing, because in competition, the things are very, very less, and the competition is very high. If you start early, then you will be the one who will reach the destination early. I will give you another example from my life. As when I started doing job as a software engineer, in that moment, I thought that I will go to reach greatest in my career journey. But then I realized that it is not something that I should be seeing myself from down the line or in past, from coming next 10 to 15 years. So I quit my job, and I moved to social life, and there I went to an NGO and started teaching kids from slum. And I thought that I am currently very happy that I'm doing something for society. And that is what I think, that if you start early, then you will definitely reach to the place where you should be or where you are willing to do. I would like to end this small speech by giving a quote that गिरते हैं सवार मैदान जंग में, वो तिफल क्या जो घुटनों के बल चले. Which means if you have something in your mind, just do it now. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so very much, Toastmaster Amit. And judges, I'll give a minute time for the judges to mark the ballot, and then we can go for the next team. And in the meantime, timer, please do let me know once it's a minute time. And Toastmaster Jack can decide quickly who from his team shall be nominated for
Toastmaster
this round.
Venkatesh.
Venkatesh, great. Okay.
Yes, 1 minute is over.
Okay. So, do we have Toastmaster Venkatesh?
Yes.
Toastmaster Venkatesh, can we quickly have an, I think you're audible. So, can you quickly check if the timer card is visible, or if you can see the timer card?
Yes, timer cards are visible.
Okay, cool. So, Toastmaster Venkatesh, so try and try until you succeed. Toastmaster Venkatesh, try and try until you succeed. Toastmaster Venkatesh, over to you.
Thank you. Table topic master, Toastmaster Swati. Presiding officer, table topic master, fellow Toastmasters, and dear guest. Very good afternoon. Try and try until you succeed. I remember the saying of Swami Vivekananda, arise, awake until you succeed. So with this, I'm going to share my own story. I have used the same approach in my life. Until I succeed, I kept on trying everywhere, right from it's my education or maybe in my career. And I believe hard work always pays you off, because unless without hard work, it is really difficult to get the fruit out of it. Even in the career, when you want to climb the corporate ladder, you know, there are so many senior people who are also trying hard, and you have your colleagues as well. But only the person who is working hard, putting efforts day and night, he can go ahead. And I suggest this principle to be used by everyone to succeed in his or her life. That is the best way to succeed in life. Over to you, Toastmaster of the table topic master, Toastmaster Swati.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Venkatesh, for that insights. So as this round ended, we had successfully cleared even a round 3. So at this round, I would give 2 minutes time for the judges to mark the ballot and let me know the results. And in the meantime, let me just say what the next round. Next round would be a debate round wherein 2 teams can get together and they can compete with the other 2. Okay. So may I know like which 2 teams would be participating with each other? Is it Toastmaster Jay and Toastmaster Meenal or Toastmaster Vinod, DTM Vinod and DTM Hemant? So how are we going to go ahead? You guys can
You
decide.
select. You select.
Okay, great then. So the topic, I will let you know once the 2 minutes is done. So I would choose Toastmaster Vinod and Toastmaster Jay and Toastmaster Hemant and Toastmaster Meenal together. Toastmaster Jay and Toastmaster Vinod would be together, and Toastmaster Jay and Toastmaster Hemant and Toastmaster Meenal can be together. So each speaker, let me just give you the guidelines. So each speaker from the team would be getting a minute time to speak, and they would have to speak either for the topic or against the topic. It is their wish, but they do get a minute's time to speak. Okay. And timer can just make a note of it. So the next round, they'll be only getting a minute's time to speak.
Swati, I had a doubt over here.
Sure.
When we are trying to speak over there, how do I decide who is going to speak for and who is going to speak against?
It's your, I mean, in 1 minute, you can speak whatever you want, but it can be either for or it can be either against the topic. It's your choice, Toastmaster Meenal.
Okay, then if say now if you announce my team and Hemant's team to go this, then who has to start first then? Because if both of them start first, then no one will be able to note the timing.
No. I'll be telling like which team has to start first, so
Okay.
that they can
And
go ahead with it. Okay.
Okay, now, and if Hemant starts first, then if he speaks for, then I have to speak against, right?
Absolutely right.
Okay, and if and vice versa, means if he goes
Vice
against, then I have
versa.
to.
Yeah. So, so timer, please do let me know once it is 2 minutes.
2 minutes is over.
2 minutes is over. Okay.
Yes.
So Toastmaster Jay and Toastmaster Vinod. So first we'll have from your side. So the topic, the common topic would be feminism. So Toastmaster Vinod and Toastmaster Jay, so what would you go ahead? You are going to support feminism or you're going to oppose feminism?
I will support.
Okay, then you start.
Sure. So Toastmaster Jay, you'll be having a minute's time, and timer can also note, he can show the red card at 1 minute and he can show the green card once it is Okay, let me just tell you the timing. For 30 seconds, you can show the green card. For 45 seconds, you can show the yellow card.
Am I audible and
And for
visible?
one, yes, you're audible. You're not visible, so I think you need to turn on your video.
Ma'am, but 1 minute is enough for to share their views on the topic.
That's the trick. That's the spur. I mean, that's how you convince, and that's how the judges would also be scoring you. So 1 minute is more than enough. I mean, if you keep up the right words, or if you keep up the right points, whatever you would like to say. Okay. So let's start with Toastmaster
One
Jay.
moment.
Sure.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me, by the way?
Yeah, we can hear you. Yeah.
Okay. I have no clue what you said, to be honest. So if you can just summarize it.
Sure.
capture
I think Toastmaster, you got DTM Hemant. I think you got disconnected. So Toastmaster Jay and DTM Vinod would be speaking on feminism, wherein DTM
Hemant
Hemant
and
and Toastmaster Meenal would be speaking against feminism, or they can speak the disadvantages which we have by supporting the feminism.
so
Start.
And each of you would be having 1 minute time to represent your argument or to represent your words. Okay. So we'll be going up with Toastmaster Jay, then with Toastmaster Vinod to hear what they have to say in the advantages of feminism. Then we'll go ahead with Toastmaster Hemant and with Toastmaster Meenal to listen to them, like what are the disadvantages of promoting feminism. Okay.
All clear.
All clear?
Okay.
Okay. So, Toastmaster Jay, you can proceed. If you can see the timer card and everything is fine, you can proceed. You have 1 minute time. Okay.
Yes, everything is visible. Perfect. No issue. Let me go ahead. Madam Presiding Officer, fellow Toastmasters and future Toastmasters, feminism is a word which in the history we spoke a lot about it, but we understood very less. When we born, first we are with our mother who care day and night for us, day and night. Not only in this case, when we grow up in the age of 5 or 6, then she is our first mentor and teacher, our guru. But if you go in the office environment, why we need the feminism? People are saying the gents are always more powerful, but sometimes if you have to learn how to manage different works together, you have to learn it from the ladies and all the girls. They can manage a lot of things. They can chat n numbers of boyfriends in a single shot. But everyone can't do this, even for the job. So feminism is very important to learn the basic skill and to manage their life. Thank you, and over to you.
That was quite quick. I think Jay has given a kickstart to this. So next we'll have just a second's time, not a minute time, but now we'll go ahead with the second's time, or we'll give a minute time for the judges to mark their sorry. We'll give a minute time for the judges to mark the ballot, and then we'll go ahead with Toastmaster Vinod, what he has to say about feminism. So timer, please do let me know once.
Toastmaster Swati, you're on mute.
Sure. So I was just telling we'll have a minute time for the judges to mark their ballot. And in the meantime, timer, please do let me know once it's a minute so that we can go ahead with.
okay. Yes, time is over. 1 minute.
Great. Thank you so much. So can we have Toastmaster Vinod right now? Okay, Toastmaster Vinod is already, sorry, distinguished Toastmaster Vinod is already in. So Vinod sir, would you like to quickly do a check?
Yes. Am I audible? Of course, I am visible. I can see myself. I can see
Yeah.
behind wire is there. Okay, so I'm visible also and audible.
You're
Also.
audible. You're quite audible. You can go ahead.
Thank you.
Toastmaster.
Feminism, I am against it. I agree with the Toastmaster. Yes, mother had to give birth. There's no doubt about it. And only mother has to give birth. Nobody else, man cannot give. So in every field, feminism we cannot support. Like security, right? Can I ask everybody how many presidents or chairpersons or prime minister they have lady security? No. So I will not support feminism in the security purpose. I will not suppose feminism working late nights. We cannot allow women to work late night, maybe at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. We cannot allow feminism to go for schooling late nights. So yes, in many areas, feminism we can support, but there are very few areas where we must avoid supporting feminism because of their security, because of security of their people, their loved one, and their family. So, two areas I'm not supporting feminism. That's all from my side. Thank you.
That was quite quick, Toastmaster Vinod. So now let us have uh, Toastmaster Meenal come up and speak like what she has to say about feminism.
So, good afternoon, everyone. Let me add a word pseudo to feminism now. Because present day feminists are nothing but pseudo feminists. The best example of the person who does not need a feminist tag is Sudha Murthy. She was the first employee of Telco, best known as Tata Motors now, and she had worked shoulder to shoulder with all the men at the shop floor. Therein, nothing known as feminism came up. Even when in the campus interviews, the note was put up, female engineers, please don't apply. And she contradicted it by writing a letter to JRD Tata that why not female? What's the problem? And then she was grilled for 90 minutes in the interview, and finally JRD Tata had to agree. Yes, you can be on floor. So I guess you need not need this tag of feminism everywhere. If you're on your own, if you can prove yourself, the gender biasness is not needed at all. So at least in spite of being a female, I am not going to support feminism at all. Over to you, table topic master.
Thank you so very much, Toastmaster Meenal. That was quite quick. I must appreciate each and every one of you were quite quick and furious, in fact. So let us give a minute time for the judges to mark the ballot, and then we'll go ahead with Toastmaster Hemant. Timer, please to let me know once it's a minute time.
Sure. Yes, time is over. 1 minute.
Thank you so much. And now we'll have the distinguished Toastmaster Hemant. Let us hear what he has to say about feminism.
Once I went to a bar with my cousin. We ordered a Coke and a whiskey. The waiter came, he gave whiskey to me and Coke to my cousin. The order was actually the other way around. She wanted a whiskey and I wanted a Coke. Once I went to a Toastmaster meeting and my boy was like 1.5 years old. So in the break time, I was asked by a senior Toastmaster, does your boy live with you? What he meant was, are you divorced? And does your boy live with you? If feminism means equal opportunity, equality of all the genders, I am with it. But the word itself is anti-feminism. Both the genders face inequality at, places. But if we look at feminism as a manner of where women are just, opposing against the traditional patriarchy, then there's not feminism. Women are much more stronger. The gender, the equality of both the gender. Kurta, I start wearing t-shirt. Feminism does not smoking just because men smoke, and a lot of corporations have made a big deal out of it. If you watch some of the advertisement, they're just promoting women to do exactly what men do. But is that what equality their own strength area? And they should focus on both instead of talking about this of corporate houses to sell their product. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, Toastmaster Hemant. Now, before I go ahead, I'll just give a 2 minutes quick time for the judges to mark the ballot so that we know who the winner of the championship is. In the meantime, let us have a big round of applause to all of them who has participated today. And thank you so very much for each and every one of you for participating with so much enthusiasm. We couldn't hear you clearly. In the meantime, while I calculate the results or I will get back to you with the results, one of our guests, I'll give a quick time. So one of our guests can participate right away in the table topics. So is there anyone who would like to participate from the guest after listening to so many wonderful table topics? Is there anyone from the guest who would like to participate right away?
At the same time, can we ask detailed Vijay to remove the slide, because I think this timer cards are over now, roll is over.
Okay. Yes, Vijay, you can go ahead and
View, and we can ask everybody to start videos and share their views about this.
Sure, great. That's a great idea. So let's everyone give up their opinion in a quick time so that I can get back with my results in the meantime. So how was the experience of the championship and how was it participating? Quickly.
Yeah, I'll start. That was a great experience for me, because this is the first ever time we had, even for the benefit of the guests and the new members, we never had such a competition or such a session in past. So it was really a great for all of us. And what I appreciate, all the leaders, all the team members, they gave first chance to their leaders, because they are going to compete, they are going to do the contest, they're going to take part. That was a very charm of every leader from this team leaders. So kudos to you and all the best. And every member, they did their wonderful at their capacity. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you so much, distinguished Toastmaster Vinod. So anybody else would like to? I think Pavel can give his view because he was very much nervous before participating today. This was in fact his second meeting, or I think so. Yeah, this is his second meeting. So Pavel, how was your experience?
It was great. This is my third meeting rather, and I was nervous, but slowly it is fading away. And thanks to you all, and for all your support, especially Swati. She is my mentor, and she is like guiding me. And President Jay, the first day I spoke to him, it was wonderful. And I'm like every one of you, I'm learning every day from everyone, and I'm sure that within a span of next few months, I'll be a much confident speaker like all of you. And yes, so thank you very much. It is a wonderful experience to be a part of this club. Yeah.
Let's call to Toastmaster Mayur. His first meeting. How is his experience? And then guest Rashmi. Mayur,
Yeah,
please.
yes, it is all the table topics were really interesting, and it is a really good learning from guys like you. It was a long day for table topics, but I really impressed with all the content they come up with to share. It was awesome to be a part of this club.
Great decision, Toastmaster Mayur. You had joined, I think, 2 or 3 meetings, and now you make up your mind. And I'm telling you very clearly, whatever the investment you made in the hours or in the time, you will get a lot out of this. Here we have a great examples like distinguished Toastmaster Vinod, distinguished Toastmaster Heman. Still, they are the part of this club because they are thinking still we have a lot to learn. And then we have to have a lot to share with the others. And that's the main thing which we are learning here as a Toastmaster. Now let's go to the guest Rashmi.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. It was really great for me to be a part of this meeting. And the session from Toastmaster Manish was really insightful. The tips were really good and they were really helpful. And when we began the table topic round, so nice topics were there. They were all interesting, and either or round was so much fun. I really liked the topic chole bhature or pani puri. That was my favorite. And also debate round was good. The topic right, like feminism is really a very debatable topic right now, very trending topic right now. So it was all fun, and I'm looking forward to join more and more meetings so that I can learn from you all. Thank
Great.
you. That's all.
Thank you, Rashmi. Okay. So table topic master or our presiding officer, get back to you. Thank you.
Okay. So are everyone excited for the results for today? You can
Yes, yes, yes. We all are excited.
Yes,
okay.
yes.
So I must say it was really tough call, and even if I calculate the marks, it's almost like 5 marks, 10 marks here and there. But obviously each and every one of you had done a fabulous job, and we couldn't even judge like who is the best and who is not so good or who is so good, because each and every one of you were excellent. But with a minimal change or with a minimum marks difference, we have the winner today. So Toastmaster, or the distinguished Toastmaster Vinod team, gets the first place today. So a big round of applause to Team Vinod. Congratulations, Team Vinod. It was tough call, guys. I mean,
Congratulations to my all team members, Akriti and Anupam and Ritija. Congratulations to you. That was our strategy that let Ritija start. Yes.
yes. So great job done. So here we go. We conclude it over here. So Team Vinod, congratulations, and Team Hemant, Team Meenal, and Team Jay. What a fabulous job and what a fabulous challenge. So thank you so much for the participation to each and every one of you. And just as a VP Education, I would like to say we'll even be having an educational session in the next week, and it's going to be a regular meeting on Sunday. And the contest is beginning, so get up, and we will be announcing the nominations quickly. So you can go ahead and you can quickly give your nominations for the table topics. And I'm looking out for the entire day contest for table topics contest this time. So we all in. Are we all ready to give our nominations for table topic?
Yes.
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 Because table topic is one thing which each and every one of you can participate. Wherein ISC is something where you would have to cross level 2 in order to participate. So great job, everyone, and thank you everyone for participation. And I would hand over to our President Toastmaster Jay for further announcement and for the conclusion of the meeting. Over to you, Toastmaster Jay.
Thank you, Toastmaster Swati. You had a lot of stuff in your bucket. I don't know. I think no one can believe how much creativity you have. Great job. I don't have a lot of announcements, only 1 or 2 points, the special one. Very soon we are planning a special meeting with Eton Club. That meeting is on Friday, and that's a special meeting. Our regular meeting will remain same, and if you want, you can join that one. We will share the link in the same manner. We will announce the role availability in the same manner. So if you have the time, then join us. And there is one more reason behind it. If you want to complete your level 2, and if our existing meetings are not sufficient, come for this special meeting and then take the speech slot. Am I right? Our VP Education?
Yes, right. So
Great.
I think we had said, I think we had given all our updates. Now we can, I think we can conclude our meeting and we can
sure.
go ahead for the guest briefing right away. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much to all of you to join us. Guest, please stay with us. Yeah, please take the photograph first.
Yeah. Can
Swati ma'am, please.
turn on the videos?
Yes.
Guest Sanvi, you can also switch on. Nishu ma'am.
Done, Abhishek? Thank you.
And just one word before we conclude, I would like to thank, I missed it unfortunately, but I would like to thank our timer for coordinating so really well and for being on spot for the entire meeting. That is our distinguished Toastmaster Vijay, without whom the meeting would have been impossible. And I can't say the judges' name, but still then, thank you so much to both our judges who had done a fabulous job in judging today's contest.
Yes.
So that's it from my end, and here we conclude the meeting. Over to you. Yeah. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Guest,
Have a great day.
Yeah.
Thank
Guest,
you,
please
everyone.
stay with us
Have a great day. Yeah.
so that we can continue with the induction. Okay. Guest, please stay with us.
Thank you all for such a wonderful session.
Thank
Thank you so much,
Thank
Nishu
you.
ma'am, for being there and for
Really,
being
I
always there
appreciate
with us.
that you have made the combination between the session and the variety of table topic session. And second thing, so you gave the variety to the audience to how to conduct a variety of table topic like phrases, against and for, and the coffee and tea. So it was wonderful. And third thing, that you have given the opportunity to all the participants. Wonderful job done by you all. I really love
Thank
to
you so
attend
much.
meeting.
Thank you
Thank
so
you all.
much, Toastmaster.
Thank you, Nishu ma'am, for
Toastmaster
taking a
Nishu.
special role.
we know now who has
Thank
taken the special role.
Thank
Yes.
you all. Congratulations all
Thank you
the
so much, Nishu ma'am. Thank you.
participation.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Venkatesh, you can take it up, and Swati ma'am will support you. Thank you.